you have a little mini masterpiece artist going on here. So £1.50 from the works. These are great. You can get these little easels, fantastic. So just a little finger painting session today, little few splodges there in the trays. Your little ones will absolutely love this. You don't need to go mad, just a tiny little bit, and then get them to start dabbing around and having a little play. If they are a little bit little, you might need to show them what to do. So my boys are 2 and 6, so I wanted to put both of their fingerprints on this little mini canvas. And my littlest one, I had to show him exactly what to do, and then he wanted to get messy after that, so he was enjoying that. And then my oldest one, 6, he was having a little bit more of a play, but yes, you might need to show what to do. But these little canvases are fantastic, really cheap, good little keepsakes. Sometimes the art we do can be very big and bulky, and it's nicer when you can keep little things, because it adds up a lot. We have a massive box of all our arts and crafts, so yes, I get it. The little things are quite handy to keep too. So my older boy here just having a little mix and blend in his little fingerprints, and then what we wanted to do is I was wanting to put their little name on each little finger splodge at the end. So I picked one of Caleb's finger splodges out with little Caleb, and little Noah with his little mini finger splodge as well, and it shows the size of their little fingers as well, so as they're growing. It is a great little keepsake, like we said, but dead cheap, dead easy. You can get pound shops, you can get the works, you can get Hobbycraft, wherever you want to be. You can get these little mini canvases and easels, and I think they are great for little finger painting with the children. And you'll just see at the end here how I've put the names. If you just find a clear dot or splodge that you've done, and I think it's a nice little extra just to put their little name on one of their finger splodges and then the other name on the other. And if you have a lot of children, you can put them all on. And there's the cat. So have a go. You'll really enjoy this with the children. And my art is at kimberleyvickersart. That's on a different channel, so have a little free feel to have a look at that, and we tropic on another one too. Take care all.